I just finished listening to episode 337 of the Kwik podcast. And he talks about this ancient thing called kintsugi. Remember when in ancient Japanese times, pottery would get broken and then they would fix it back together with stuff that was mixed with a resin of gold, and the final piece was prettier and worth more than the original piece. And of course, it got me thinking about homeschooling. One of the things that Jim says in the podcast is effort is the path to excellence. And I want to encourage you in your homeschool journey to keep trying. You know, our kids need to know that sometimes things are hard, and we need to teach them not to say, I can't. Instead, we teach them to say, and we'll use fractions as an example. Say they're having a hard time reducing fractions. They'll be tempted to say, I can't reduce fractions. Instead, we need to help them reprogram their mind. Fill it in with a little bit of gold. I can't reduce fractions yet, but with practice, I'm gonna get it. So apply this art of kintsugi to your homeschool life. As I get the shadow out of my way, can infuse it into your life. Fill in the hard parts of homeschool with gold, positive attitude, positive affirmations, prayer, rest, family time, taking a step back from paper and doing things with your hands, making projects. Kintsugi. What a beautiful way to approach homeschool, because some days are just not going to work. I'm telling you right now, things are going to get broken. People are going to cry. The kids too. You might, me, I know. But fill in the cracks with gold, with quiet time, with blue sky, sunshine, a different perspective. I'm going to encourage you to listen to the podcast. It's not very long. See if you pull from it things that will help you in your life as well. But just know that effort is the path to excellence, and our kids need to understand that. It's the effort that matters, not necessarily the destination. You know, the journey, not the destination. Have a great day.